India launches the F33 series, the mid-range selfie champion. New Delhi, 15th April 2026. Oppo India today announced the launch of the Oppo F33 series in India, comprising the Oppo F33 Pro 5G and the Oppo F33 5G. The F33 series marks the most significant evolution of Oppo's F line to date, combining a segment-best 50MP ultra-wide selfie camera, IP69K durability, massive 7000 mAh battery, ColorOS 16, and 5G++ connectivity. Commenting on the launch, Goldie Patnaik, Head of Communications, Oppo India, said, "The F series has earned its reputation as India's durable champion, a smartphone that is built for real life." The F33 series keeps that promise and raises the bar by adding a segment-best 50MP ultra-wide selfie camera with 100 degrees FOV and a suite of AI imaging features. "Our effort is that durability and great photography are not a trade-off. You should not have to choose between a phone that survives a monsoon trek and one that captures every face in the group shot at the top. The F33 series does both, and we believe that is exactly what India's mobile first generation deserves." Segment-best selfie camera with smart auto switch to 0.6x. Oppo's selfie champion, the F33 series, comes with a 50MP ultra-wide front camera with 100 degrees field of view, the widest and highest resolution selfie camera in its segment. Equipped with EIS, autofocus, and the GC50 f6 sensor, f2.0, 18mm focal length, 5p lens, it captures approximately 30% more area at a 1 meter distance compared to previous generation framing, meaning more faces, more context, and more of the moment without anyone getting cropped out. The F33 Pro's camera intelligence goes beyond resolution. Oppo's AI Group Fi expert automatically widens to 0.6x the moment more than two faces enter the frame, no tap, no fumble, no missed moment. A face distortion correction algorithm simultaneously tracks up to 6 subjects, preserving natural proportions even at the edges of a 100 degrees field of view. The result is group selfies.
If we talk about the F31 series, which had 61% success. So Bangalore as a market is very important for us. That's why we keep coming back with new products that we have to offer. And we are the segment leader in 25 to 30 for F series as well. F series is known as the durable champion. So this time we're coming with two new products in F33 series. One is F33 Pro. There is a small video that I want to show you about the product.
And we are in Bangalore today to talk about the F33 series, which we've introduced recently. And the one that I have in my hands is F33 Pro in green misty forest color. And this is the main color that we have. We have two products that we've introduced. One is F33 Pro and the other one is F33. It is the selfie champion. We've already established durable champion with our F series. And I'm sure you're going to love the experience with this device, the selfie champion, wide for big moments. And I'm sure when you get your hands on the product, you're going to love it. It's a very lightweight device with 193 grams and 194 grams of both the products, F33 Pro and F33. And it's very lightweight with 7000 mAh battery in both the devices. So I'm sure you're going to love the experience when you get your hands on the product. The design is very unique for young users who want a different kind of colors and experience with their devices. And camera is one of the major USP for Oppo, and design. We make the best designs, and like you guys can already see with this phone, we've again showed what we have in store for the users, always looking for new things. And the pricing starts at 31,999 for F33, and for F33 Pro, if it's 37,999. So thank you so much, and we would really love to hear your feedback on the device. I'm sure you're going to love it.
Please repeat it once again.
Okay. So the first sale for F33 Pro starts tomorrow, which is 23rd of April, and F33 base variant starts from 29th April. This is the F33 Pro, which you can see here. We worked with KL Rahul for this. Yes. Thank you.